How to set the alarm clock. In clock mode, press the Set button for 3 seconds to enter time setting. And press Set button repeatedly till you see the R1, then press the Up button repeatedly to turn on or off the alarm. -R1 means turn off the alarm. On R1 means turn on the alarm. Press the Set button to enter alarm setting. Then press and hold the up or down buttons to speed up the forward or reverse scanning of the digits. Press Set button to confirm. You can set the R2 and R3 alarms in the same way as described above as setting procedure of R1. After setting the alarm, press the Set button to enter Workday Alarm mode. Press the Up button repeatedly to turn on or off the Workday alarm. -E means the alarm rings every day. On-E means the alarm only rings on Monday through Friday. Now we've finished the alarm setting. Thank you for watching.